hearing about all the great work you have done in this class. You guys are ahead of the game now because you're learning this.
Like, is it the most efficient method, or is driving better, or could there be traffic?
Use it, right? Is it for everyone? I meant to say, is it more for everyone? A result with the sources, and then these are the tools, APIs, and models that we use. Say AI.
AI! Cheese! Cheese!